Hi there! In this video, we're checking out the Wedopro remote control car. Opening it up, right on top, we have the remote, extra tires, the remote control car itself, and an accessories bag. Now, let's look at everything in detail. First, the tires. We get a set of 4 that feels quite durable, and they're identical to the blue ones already installed on the car. In the accessories bag, we have 2 lithium-ion batteries to power the car. I really like this setup because you can charge one while you're out using the other. We also get 2 AA batteries. These are specifically for the remote control. And here is the charging cable. It's definitely on the shorter side, but just plug it in like this. We also get a small screwdriver included. Now for the controller. It feels okay in the hand. There's no dedicated power button, so it actually powers off automatically. Let's install the batteries. We'll need to unscrew the cover, pop them in, and screw it back down. As you can see, the LED is blinking, which means it's actively searching for the car to connect. Now, here's the remote control car itself. It feels solid. Let's open the battery cover. Let me show you how to charge the battery first though. When you plug it in, it glows red to indicate it's charging and the light turns off when it's full. Anyway, let's get the battery installed. Now, let's screw the cover back on, and oh no, the screwdriver just broke. That's a bummer. But anyway, let's hit the power button on the car. As you can see, it lights up right away. It's very fast, and you can even disable the lights if you're not into that. The turning and spinning speed are impressive. Overall, I'm really happy with this, especially the speed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.